So the study of Irfan is defined as this. It is a study that aims at understanding the realities of this world. There are many realities in this world, such as myself. What am I? Who am I? The world, and of course, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ultimately. It is a study that aims at understanding Allah and myself and my relationship with Allah. By focusing, you're not studying these things in a lab, right? You're focusing on intuitive means. Intuitive means. So you're not using a microscope. You're not using, the usual tools that you have in a lab to study the world, myself and Allah. No, we will rely mostly on intuitive means and spiritual means that are inward, that are inside us, inward knowledge, such as mystical. Now we'll explain this later on, inshallah. Mystical experiences and inspiration. So this is the main methodology that is used in Irfan, is that you learn to recognize Allah through your heart, through inspiration, through mystical experiences, versus recognizing Allah through logic, through intellectual arguments. This is not Irfan. Sometimes Irfan is called gnosis with a G, G-N-O-S-I-S in English. Other times it is called esotericism because it relies on esoteric methodologies. So this is what Irfan is. We're trying to learn who Allah is. We're trying to better understand Allah and my relationship with Allah, relying on spiritual methods. We're trying to enhance our spirituality and build a relationship with Allah. This is what Irfan is.